of people get into these kind of rituals, especially trying to give up addictive substances, and you're like, inhale and hold the smoke in, yeah? And even time it, and exhale. You're doing a pranayama, you're trying to give up, but it's kind of like, it's working against you, right? And people get into these rituals, and that's why they find it so difficult to give up, because this is my last joint, or this is my last cigarette, or this is my last drink, and they have like, I'm going to have all my friends, whatever it is, I'm going to do it at this time, and yeah, it's just a way of trying to cope. But you're setting up a ritual instead of the ritual that that we know can be so fruitful. The mind needs that ritual. So if it doesn't get it, it will create it. Everyone has a mantra. Everyone is saying something in their mind, aren't they? It's like you want to give your mind the highest mantra, or you want to give it some other thing. Like whatever you have to. Yeah, whatever cycle, whatever that cycle is. And it's always slightly personalized, and it's not even wrong, it's just what level is it vibrating at, and is it helpful? And can you even hear it? That's the first criteria, that's the first qualification. That's why we say observing the mind, listening to the mind, very important first step. I mean, that is the first step of meditation. But in the end, the mind, meaning ego mind, it has to be finished.